Yeah, we're ready to start.
Okay, hi April. I hope you're doing well today. I know you are because you're a health coach. Matter of fact, I know you are a certified health coach from the world's largest nutrition school. So, why did you choose to be a health coach for a career? Or what makes you want to be interviewed? Or I guess I should say, what brings you here today?
What brings me here today is I just feel like people really need to be aware of how they can empower themselves, how they can help themselves, how they can live healthier, happier lives, because that's my mission, is to help others.
So, is it all about what we eat, or is there more to it than that?
There's really more to it than that. I mean, it's a lot about what we eat, but there's also a lot of other factors to come into play, such as your stress level, your sleep, your exercise, your social life. So health is really a holistic picture, and there are a lot of factors that come into play.
So what would you say the most important part of the health is?
The most important part, it's holistic. Everything is important because, if you don't get enough sleep, your quality of life is going to suffer. You're not going to be happy. For example,
what's the most important part about hiring a health coach?
I think the most important part about hiring a health coach would be a health coach can help you establish your goals and help you find the way to actually get to your goals and help hold you accountable. And it helps you when you work with somebody who's experienced and knowledgeable in health and wellness.
So how do you set your mind for a wonderful day?
The way I set my mind for a wonderful day is every day I get up and I'm thankful to be alive. I think it's important to be grateful every day that we get a new day, and that
so that's how you start your day?
That's how I start my day. I think it's important to realize that every day is a gift, and we should be appreciative because it's so easy to take things for granted.
Okay, so what do you eat for breakfast?
Every day for breakfast, I like to eat a pasture-raised egg sandwich on whole grain bread, because whole grain bread is actually, it's really good for you. It's not a refined carbohydrate like white bread. It has a really good source of fiber, protein, it has whole grains in it. A pasture-raised egg is anti-inflammatory. It actually has high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. It's low in saturated fat. It's raised humanely. It's good for you in a lot of ways. And then the garlic is actually really good for your immune system. It provides enzymes. What else was on it? Chia seeds. It has chia seeds on it, and chia seeds are actually really good anti-inflammatory. They're good source of fiber, and you really need fiber in your diet. Most people don't get enough fiber, so chia seeds, you could add them on anything. They're a really small food, but they're a big superfood. It can actually help you lose weight too.
So I know, I realize you being a health coach, being my daughter, of course. I just want to thank you for your love and helping me make better choices, being more aware of my health. I love learning how to ferment. So can you tell us the benefits of fermenting food?
Yes, fermented food is actually really good for you, but the problem is a lot of fermented foods in the grocery store, such as sauerkraut and kimchi, have been pasteurized. And because it's pasteurized, it's been highly heated to preserve it, and it doesn't have the same probiotic value because it's been heated. And if you eat fermented foods for the reasons that I do, you want it to be unpasteurized, preferably homemade. That way you can get that good gut bacteria to help nurture your microbiome, because the gut microbiome is very underrated. It has to do with synthesizing your hormones in your body and your mood, your immune system. It's way more than just digestion.
Well, that's great. I think you've shared a lot of knowledge about the importance of hiring a health coach and the importance of feeling healthy. And what is it? I love it when you say it. What is it about taking time for your health?
If you don't invest in your wellness, you'll be forced to make time for your illness. So yeah, it's very important to invest in your health, because it's going to cost you more in the long run if you go to the hospital, and then the medical bills are going to pile up. And it's really important to make that choice now. And it's important. Health is wealth. But that's all I have to share for today. As always, be grateful and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.